guys, again, kakatapos lang namin kumain.
Yes, and part 3. Part 4.
This is part 3. So we're playing hide and seek now. Leon, nasan ka?
I want to kill you. Andito sa bahay ko, bakit?
We have to build our home first. Tulungan kita.
And then, what is this house? The house is gonna made of gold and diamonds.
Hey, get out of my house. This is my property.
Bro, I am literally alone. I'm subscribed to your channel, bro. And
Fine. I'm gonna build my own house.
Bro, are you serious?
Yeah. What now?
Like, what is so?
This is how I build a house. First, 1, 2, 3. Copy me. Then,
I bet it's something
1,
here.
2, 3, 4. Like that. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Josh? Where's Josh?
And then, like
Josh! Josh, where are ya? Josh!
now
Josh,
this.
where are you?
Then 2 blocks down.
Can you teleport, Josh? Can you teleport?
This is the old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, go. Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, this is Little's house.
10 blocks in total.
Come here, Josh. Josh, come here. Josh, come here. This is Little's house. Guys, Little's house, bro. Guys, Little's house.
So, 4 blocks in total. Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then copy the process over here. Then next, yeah, this and this. Then
I want to make the house like the stairs made of gold. I want to make like that.
oh, this is my house.
I can decorate yours.
No,
I feel the creeper coming into your door.
I don't care about the creeper. This is my home.
What was that? Is that
Crazy day.
Oh, that was crazy.
Hey, this is my home. Build your own.
Bro, I remember in both in the basement. Guys,
Oh,
I saw chicken from, I'm gonna turn it to KFC.
so like this.
I'm going to give you KFC chicken.
The next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how the big house should be. Then next, hey,
Oh my gosh, I'm going to build my own house.
huh?
I'm going to make it a big paradise. I'm going to make it into a big paradise, otherwise.
Then next this.
Then,
Oh, this will be the second floor.
you have second floor, but I have one floor, but it's beautiful with diamonds.
Haha. So you're building there.
Yes, I'm building that. Yes. By the way, it took me like 1 hour to finish it.
Nah, bro.
Yes.
Tap.
No, I'm not. I'm not tapping. Oh, this is wrong. Are you serious? That's a bit lower. Alright, this correct. Oh, this is so close.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Alright, now I'm going to make the floor out of netherite.
Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this.
So what?
Cut this video. I don't want to take this long. So guys,
Don't look on the roof. Don't look.
dahil yan.
Guys,
So, I'm going to someone's house. Leon's house.
Diba?
Bye, oh. Ito yung first floor niya.
Dari. Pasok ka dyan.
Wow! Ganda eh. Dito naman sa baba. So, this is our old house. It's been abandoned.
Yes, it is abandoned.
Hey, what are you doing here? Don't cross the factory. So, I'm done. Actually, I did the floor. So, I added stairs now. I'm gonna add stairs. See ya!
What is going on over there?
Nah, they're just dancing.
What song is that?
I don't.
What's like Jim? But I don't know. Because it's girls. But I
Aha.
like
Skibidis.
yeah, that's what I do.
And right na. Tapos na yung bahay ko.
I'm not
Mamaya ako nalalagyan ng flooring. Ng mga gamit.
I'm going to place down the carpets except for the creeper face.
My house is done. Rate it out of 10, guys. Read in the comments.
Do you have any carpets?
No.
Well, you should add carpets because it's for like homes.
Nah. The space lagging.
Okay, you're lagging right now?
Yeah. I'm
Look on my roof.
Yes, I'm lagging.
Did you kill all of my defenders?
Yes, I'm lagging.
No, don't
Yes.
kill defenders.
It's lagging too much.
But mine is not lagging.
Only yours.
No.
Only add a few.
Like this. Like this only.
Yes, only that. So I will rate it, guys.
And also this is more guards in the front.
Sure. Ano, magtutour na ba tayo ng mga isang bahay?
Hindi pa tapos sa akin.
Sige.
Do you like the creeper face up here?
Yes. Gawin titali yan ng creeper.
Wait, I have something off my sleeve. It makes me like a few minutes to finish it. I forgot emeralds. You forgot emeralds also?
Then para mas mabilis ka bumaba. Tingnan mo kasi. There. Tingnan mo ako. Bilis. Ano ginagawa mo dito?
Ako?
Oo.
Look in my room.
Hindi, pag ako pumunta sa bahay niyo, isaraan ko yung lalatang ko sila.
Huwag naman.
Oh my gosh, I'm making the creeper face.
So I do like my house, guys. We'll wait the others.
No more.
niya sa labas. So, this is Grant's house. Pretty good. So, we have these guys.
Hey! Don't kill one of my defenders, bro. Don't kill one of my defenders. Don't kill one of them.
So, it's full of...
Ah, you keep ruining my place.
Check out that side. It's great.
Let's check out Jobs. What is Jobs real name? Ta-da!
Leon.
Leon? Josh, Roblox time. What is our rules? This is... Sino ba to? I have literally full armor. Well, my name's Steve. Wait, is my name Steve on my card? Yeah. Is it? I think it's I'm holding a
Hey, look at your home.
No! You ruined it!
Yeah. Yes.
It's good. No, you're ruining everything that I made. That was a beautiful creation. And you're making it too ugly.
Alright guys, I'm hiding. Joke. I'm gonna cut this video. Alright guys, magtagawa na tayo. Hoy, sino yung taya?
Wait, not yet. I'm going to add in something.
Hoy, bili.
Okay, never mind. Okay,
Sino taya? Ha?
dun tayo, madali mo.
Sige, madali muna tayo dito.
Oy!
Leon!
Oy, Leon!
Leon, alisin nyo muna yung mga laman yan.
Sige.
Slash.
Kahit ano, walang maiiwan.
Okay.
Kamay lang.
Bili!
Wait lang.
Taya. May pa. Taya. Uy, taya ka. Saan kami magtatago?
Kahit saan? Pwede kayo
Saan lalabas ako? Saan ka magbibilang? Dito. Uy, ano yun muna lang?
Isa, dalawa. Makikita ko yung screen nyo. Sige. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sige. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Papatayin ko kayo pag nakita kayo. Oo.
Kasi nakatago na kami. Tatago lang namin to.
Pwede kami?
Ay, doon ka sa kabila, Grant. Ang dilim.
Mag night potion kayo.
Ayoko nga.
Ay, ko na din.
Bakit magaganyan ka?
Para matulog.
Nakita ko si Accident! In the just one. Hey! Good job! You made the darn.
Alright. Nandito na ako.
Paano mag-night potion?
Nakikita ko kayo. Unasan kayo.
Maduga!
Ay no! Unasan kayo. Unasan.
Eh, sabi mo mawawala yan.
Hindi. Kasi naman. Oh, nawala ka.
Pick naman ulit. Ulit.
Hindi ko naman kayo nakalagay. Okay, creative muna kayo.
Potion of night vision.
Sabihin mo na yan. Ay, wait lang. Buto tayo.
You see that? Yeah. What? Hey,
Ano na? Laki. Game. Hindi. Nasaan ba kayo? Uy, wala tong pintuan! Uy, wala tong harang! Ge, Leo, tumakbo ka na. Habang pinapalitan ko to. Dalasan ka na. Wala. Si Grant na lang. Hindi pa. Naka-creative tayo eh. Nakita si Grant. Uy, Leo, nasaan ka? Leo, nasaan ka? Leo. Hindi, pwede ka na magtago. Hindi ka na pwede magtago. Leo, nasaan ka? No, maki-creative mode din si Jazz.
Kung natag ka, you are in the tag team, di ba? You're in the tagging thing. Yung parang ganon. You're tagged. Pwede ako sa team mo kasi
Hindi.
nakita ko siya.
Leo, nasaan ka?
Yun. I bet he's over there.
Ayun! Nakita ko si Leon. Leon! Ay, bawal. Leon! Leon! Nahulog ako.
Dapat mag-change tayo ng rules. Dapat change tayo ng rules, diba?
They're here. They're here. Ay, may creeper!
Hindi siya namatay!
Sumabog! Ay! Wait lang, gawin natin bahay mo. Sumabog! Yung creeper!
No!
Sumabog!
No! Sumabog yan!
Walang ilaw yun yung baba! Walang ilaw! Okay lang ba yan? Then okay lang?
What about my house? Is it good?
Yeah, you have light. Sumabog!
Dapat meron ka ng light para walang
Oo, para may ilaw.
output cord.
Gawin natin yung bahay ni Leon.
Why did that exploded by the creeper? And tapos yung floor din. Tapos
Yun!
Pero dyan ano, TNT. Ay, ala ka na. Magot ko din.
Ang ganda ng ginawa mo! Be right back! Alright guys, I'm hiding. That's Leon. He's not ready yet. He's not ready yet. Hanapin mo ako, Grass. So I'm hiding, guys. Grant, your video is just split in 4 parts. In 5 parts. Oh, go and find me.
We should need to restart because of Jaws.
Yaw mo na.
Saan ka ba?
Nagtatago.
Give me a hint.
Limwell's old house.
Emerald's old house.
No exploding.
Old house?
In the wood.
Mag-SPA ka daw. Islogan liit.
Namatay kilata. Nakikita sila.
Hoy, sa ano? Puro kahoy. In the woods.
In the woods? In the woods? Inside? Why you play the Minecraft? Are you serious?
I'm in the same hobby spot.
Where are you?
Underground. I see you. I'm beside you. Really far. Aside you.
Oh my gosh, I saw you for a second. No! Oh, I need lights!
Go let.
Hey, Wall! Run! Did I left the game? Are you serious? The slime's doing no damage to me. Where are you?
Chloe.
Do not leave from your hiding spot. Hey, who blocked me in?
I see you. I see.
Wait. I am not near you. Are you serious?
You're top of me. You're top of me. Oh, you're beside me.
what I said. You're not looking to my face, man.
Oh, you're very close to me.
Why there's dirt? Why there's grass dirt?
That's my hiding spot there. Oh, the cat is gone.
Hit me in the head! 3 minutes later.
Not yet.
I'm going to wonder. Are you ready? You ready?
Not yet.
Are you ready?
Not yet.
I am ready, man.
Go.
What is going on in I feel
Oh.
Alright, sino yung I got first?
Magtatago siya, oh. Pag ano.
Sana ba siya? Di ko alam.
Leon!
Leon!
Jazz!
Yes! Lapit para ako ng ano. PvP! PvP! PvP!
Hey, now's your turn to hide.
No, we need John! We need John! We need John! Oh, I need Galacos! It barely does any damage. Hey! I'm skilled, man.
Try break blocks. Yes.
No! You made me! Oh,
Ayaw mo? Ayaw.
ready? Hey, go back to the ship. Why you make me? No, stop. Cellphone. But you can actually fight back. Okay, I'm not ready to hide yet. I'm going to do it.
Alright guys, so Grant is hiding.
Maybe into survival mode. And a new survival mode also.
Okay. Oh, survival na. Survival na. Here I come. No fighting back.
No! You can! No, you can, bro!
Where are you?
You can fight back nga eh. I just wanted to.
Rob, 3 minutes. What? You have 3 minutes to hide.
Okay, 3 minutes. Count to 3 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You ready?
Okay, I'm ready. -1 hour. Are you serious?
What do I do? Oh, I have an idea.
Is it like paper?
No.
TNT?
No. Even better.
What is it?
Even better. Just wait. Okay? That did not work out. Yeah. I gotta end this video.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.
Wait. Grab. Wait. Wait. Run. Where's the creeper? Creeper.
It's not gonna create an explosion.
Creeper. Bye.
Let's see.